Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video, I will be sharing a unique idea of making an Indian folk art inspired key holder, which is beautiful as well as useful piece of art. I started by taking 4 pieces of cardboard in 14 by 20 centimeters, and then I draw a design and cut it out like so, and then sticking the 4 pieces together with the help of white glue. Now, in order to give a base to the cardboard, I am sticking tissue papers with the help of glue and water mixture in 1:1 and let it dry for 24 hours. I decided to make a rough sketch of Indian groom and bride. Now I took 4 steel hooks and inserting in the cardboard to make hole in the cardboard. You can find these hooks easily at any hardware store. This time I'm using homemade ceramic clay as this clay becomes stone-like hard and is suitable for this project. Now I'm sticking the clay with the help of white glue and smoothing it with water and giving a wooden-like texture with the help of knife. If you are new here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more updates. Adding more clay to make a frame-like design around the faces. Now I started sculpting the face by taking a genuine amount of clay and with the help of tools started sculpting like so. Now taking portions of clay to make eyes and sticking it on the face like so, and using tool to open eyes, and finally using 2 balls of clay to put inside the eyes like so. In the similar way, I'm sculpting the lip by adding a portion of clay, giving some dimension to the face by adding more clay, and inserting the hooks when clay is wet. Also making ears by taking portion of clay. Now rolling snakes of clay to make turban and sticking on the design with the help of glue. Taking a portion of clay to make some jewelry. And adding more clay to make moustache. Again taking genuine amount of clay to make face of lady and sculpting the same way as before. Making snakes of clay to make jewelry and attaching to its nose like so. Completing the sculpture by adding more clay. Again adding hooks when clay is wet so that when it dries becomes stone-like hard. I'm using acrylic color to paint the clay mural. giving some shades of yellow to the turban. Making some random dots of white to give it a Indian ethnic look. Using tomato red color for its sari and giving some shades of orange to it. Again using white dots to give ethnic look. Using 2 shades of brown for painting the background. Using metallic gold for the jewelry. And finally sticking some decorative stone to enhance its beauty. And after outlining the eyes with black, using 2 hooks for hanging. This clay mural key holder turned out to be so beautiful as it got some Indian ethnic touch. If you love this idea, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more updates. Thank you for watching. See you in next one.